Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 24th of November 2017 and right now it is 12:15 and let's talk about Nifty. Let's see what's happening in the market, right? So let's see. To me, if you ask me today, Nifty is, looking very, very bullish to me. Nifty definitely looks very, very bullish to me. So why am I saying so, and what is my mindset when I'm saying so? Let me just put the pivot point and show you why. See, this is Nifty 15 minutes graph. See, Nifty has taken a good support. It opened above the pivot point and then took a good support for quite some time, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 candle means it's good about 2.5 hours. I'm sorry, there is a construction going on in my condominium and that's why you could hear this now noise, but I'm really sorry. I tried to avoid it but I can't. So this is, Nifty looks very, very strongly bullish to me. I mean, I'm 100% sure Nifty does plan to have, you know, plan to go up. And what will be its first stopover? Definitely 10,400. And if it crosses that, then 10,411. That's what I'm expecting. And why am I saying so? Let me take you to Nifty's option chain also. This is Nifty's option chain. Can you see the call unwinding happening at all the levels? All the levels, call unwinding. And there's a call writing happening at the level of 10,400, right? But if you see, this is 4,19,000. Right now over here, if you come on this side, this is, how much is the already written open interest is 54,63,750 calls, right? And change in the OI is 4,19,000. We come on this side, so the open interest here is 35,48,000. And how much is the call put writing happening today? The change is 16,37,000. So this is very significant. Then this, call writing, this put writing is very significant. That means Nifty has a very, very positive stance. Nifty will go up. Nifty is not going to be, taking a rest. I'm 100% sure Nifty is in uptrend. So since morning I have done 3 trades. The 3 trades are, I've done in SRF, I've done it in Syndicate Bank, and I've done it in VGuard. So let me show you here. This is Syndicate Bank. So it is going up and taking a good support on this R1, and after that it does plan to go up. Then I have taken up SRF. SRF also looked very, very bullish to me, and it's just been relaxing over here for quite some time, right? And then I have taken VGuard. VGuard is also looking pretty positive to me, rather I would say bullish to me at this moment. So these are my stocks as of now. And yesterday, as I told you, TCS, I was making my video somewhere here and it gave me this good fall. So I booked my profit in TCS yesterday. So that was a good trade. Okay, so what I want to tell you here is that all these 3 trades, let me show you my order book. All 3 of them I have, see, I have I have Syndicate Bank at 94.3. Where is it now? 94.7. I have VGuard at 239.15. And where is it right now? 239.85. And then I have SRF at 1871.5. And where is it right now? 1873.3. Oh, little profit in all of them, right? So in all put together, I have about 1,200-1,300 rupees profit, but I'm expecting a big momentum to come into Nifty. I'm expecting there should be, like it's been consolidating for quite some days, like if you see 1, 2, and 3 days. Rather, I would say 1, 2, 3. 3 days definitely it has consolidated, and there should be a big momentum today. And I believe it's waiting for how S&P rates India. I think that will probably give it a trigger. So I want to show you one stock that I gave you. This is Ramky. You know Ramky, can you see? Today Ramky has again given a good momentum. Just look into it. This is the momentum Ramky has been giving. I want to show you Ramky we gave you on September 26th. Can you see here? September 26th. And not only that, this was our Diwali. From this Diwali to next Diwali, right? From this Diwali to next Diwali, we had this, run up. Okay, we have given the stock for this Diwali to next Diwali. See, this is 26th September. Today is not even 26th November. September to October and October to November. 2 months, 40 trading sessions. Your money has become double, right? Look at Ramky today. Ramky is on a, it's 197 something. It has doubled. Your money has been doubled in these 40 trading sessions, right? This is the kind of run-up that you get when you analyze trades correctly, right? This is how you will be, like this is what we teach in our webinar, like correct prediction of the stock momentum and how do you identify those stocks and how do you enter into them. This is what we teach, So I'm really waiting for you all, and I've been just talking to I don't know how many people, enormous people, about the upcoming webinar. And I'm sure even if I'm talking to so many people, there are still many people who are waiting. So look into the stocks that we gave. Somebody's asked me, you have given 15 stocks, so where should I enter? I'm saying you put one by one, all of them, and don't enter in any one of them. You just basically see how our calls are doing. And if you feel, you just take some penny stocks, like something which is really, really fairly valued, buy them. Let's see how Shakti Pump is doing. I'm sure this must be doing good today. So V-Guard is going up. This is doing well. Shakti Pumps. So this is where it is today. See, this is today's momentum, right? So which is again, we gave it at what point? We gave it at Shakti Pump, we gave at 420, right? Pump at 438, right? And where is it right now? 444, 444. So wherever it was, it is up from there. All the stocks, like I've seen it, without any doubt, all the stocks are doing very well and they will do fine. And so many people have been asking, what's happening to Navbharat? That's also fine today, right? Navbharat Ventures, we gave it at 134. It's up. Now it is going to just move up and up again, and it's just going to go up, right? I don't see any stoppage to this stock anywhere, so don't worry, right? So learn how do you identify such stocks. I mean, if you want to be in the market, you have to understand the movement of the market, how market moves and what moves market, what manipulates market, which stocks will be manipulated and which will be not manipulated, right? All that you should know when you enter into the market, right? And this is what we teach in our webinar. So I am really, really, really looking forward to see you all, and I'm just thinking that, you all should have no reason to worry, because we ensure that whatever is your investment, that is recovered. Not only recovered, you've learned for the life. That is what we do. Okay. So for that, you have to understand the market. Like I remember yesterday I was talking to my members, and they, all of them understand the movement of the market, movement of Nifty particularly. So when this fall took place, I was making my video somewhere here at about, I made my video about 1 o'clock when it was falling down, and I was saying I still am not negative on Nifty. Even they were not on Nifty. The moment this tweezer bottom was formed, they bought Nifty and then bought Nifty calls and, booked the profit in this upward moment, because, larger perspective is positive. So bit of profit booking here and there doesn't matter. But all of them had a very clear mindset that the moment they get an opportunity, they will enter into it. So this is what is, the power of technical analysis. I mean, see, when you are doing long-term investment, you should know about fundamental analysis. When you're doing, short-term trades, you should be very strong in technical analysis. And I believe our money should rotate. If you say, let's say you have 20,000 rupees, so invest in two, 3 or 4 stocks, 5,000 rupees. The moment you get 10% profit in each of them, or 15% profit, exit it. None of the stocks that we give you losses. It may take some time to give you profit, but very few. Like I could say, out of 100, maybe 75% is actually bang on stocks. Only a few here and there are in losses. So you remember, of course, RTN Power is doing good, and I'm hoping it to go up. I mean, I'm not expecting it to come down at all, right? So the stocks I told you on my radar since morning are SRF. I'm watching it, and I'm also watching Mahindra and Mahindra. Basing it on the news, I'm watching Mahindra and Mahindra also, right? So SRF is also on a good support, and Mahindra I'm watching because there is news on it, right? That they will be supplying some electric cars, 150 electric cars or something like that. So this is on my news. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with Zerodha. I'm also, I'm really searching now. I'm really searching, and that is why I've got this software, this professional software. It helps me. If I'm stuck up over there, at least I can get the good idea from here what's going on in the market, right? So, okay, now some of the stocks that we gave yesterday, just keep them on your radar. One of them that really looked good to me was 𝐾𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐿. 𝐾𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐿. So let me show you how the graph looks like. 𝐾𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐿. This is 𝐾𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐿, right? This is its daily graph, and this is the weekly graph. To me, it looks to be on a good support, right? I'm expecting it to go up, because I can feel, definitely in a day or two, or maybe 2-3 days, this will give a good run up in the upper direction. All right, so start, I mean, I'm so happy. Yesterday I was talking to one of the member, and he was saying that, I remember when he joined, he is my 8th webinar member. He's promised me he's going to write me an email so that I can share with others. When I spoke to him earlier, he said that, ma'am, even I'm ashamed to tell you how much losses I have incurred. And when I really asked him, taking him in confidence, he said I've lost about 12 to 13 lakhs. And yesterday he called me up to say that he has recovered almost 25% of what he has lost. That means if I take on a broader perspective, losing 12 lakhs, he's already earned back 3 lakhs. And just about month and a half to finish the webinar, right? I'm sure he will be sending me the email, and I'm sure I will be able to share it with you all. But what I'm saying, that there are so many people who lose money in the market. I am there for you guys. I am there to teach you so that you can recover all your losses. Not only you recover your losses, but be in the good profit. That is what my resolve is. And for that, I'm saying you don't delay anymore. You have all the options. You have all the options to, pay by, a credit card. And if you want, you can even take the installments and, take the opportunity. So I want to analyze for you Bank Nifty, but the graph of Zerodha is again troubling me, and I don't like it. When I'm making my video, I need everything to run smoothly. It hassles me a lot. See, this doesn't give me the graph. Maybe I'll take you here, and then from there I can probably explain you the Bank Nifty. Let's see here. I don't think so it'll give me Bank Nifty. No, I'm not getting Bank Nifty here. So I will have to rely on Zerodha only. If it opens the graph, then only I can do anything. Right? I want to see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty seems to be taking a support. You know, as Nifty is taking support, so is the Bank Nifty. And see, let me see from here only. By looking at the data only, I can tell you that Bank Nifty is also trying to take a little support. So if Bank Nifty goes up, it'll boost Nifty also, right? Let's just refresh the data and see what's happening here. I mean, we'll have to rely on the data only. So unwinding has increased. Unwinding has increased. And even here, the ceiling has increased, right? That means Nifty do not plan to go down. That is what my personal perception is. I may be incorrect, I may be wrong, or when the market open, probably international market open, it may change a little bit, but as of now, it doesn't look to me going down at all. So this is Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, you know, the highest open interest is at 26,000. And what I see over here is right now, where is Bank Nifty? 25,770 roughly. So if I see the open interest, the highest open interest is at this level, right? Or at this level. That means 25,800. It's not going below 25,800. So Bank Nifty and Nifty, both of them are robust, right? When they both are robust, means good combination of going together up. Yeah, they both have the good combination of going up. So I'm expecting that. Let's see. Probably Nifty is waiting for some kind of, you know. So this is Bank Nifty. Oh my God, it opened and it just disappeared again. So anyway, I'll take you here for the Nifty. Let me take you here. So let's see what's happening in Nifty. This is Nifty. Nifty is looking very, very bullish to me. Let's make it 15 minutes. So this is 15 minutes graph, right? This is 15 minutes graph, and there could be a possibility that a bit of profit booking may come in. A bit of profit booking. I'm not saying that huge profit booking, but little bit profit booking, say for about 10-15 points, the profit booking may come in. But after that, I believe Nifty do have plans to go up only, right? It does not look to me weak. I'm hoping, you know, I'm hoping that Nifty should go up, right? So this is my, you know, see, the graph has still not come. Graph has still not come, although I've been refreshing it. I've been doing everything that need to, here. So this is the Bank Nifty graph. It is experiencing a resistance. Can you see from R1, it is experiencing a resistance. So there could be a bit of profit booking that may come in the Bank Nifty. And if it goes above 25860, above 30 points above from here, and remains above this R1, then only it plans to go up, not before that. Let's say similarly what's happening in Nifty. So let me refresh it. Probably that'll give me something here. So let's just see what's happening with respect to, you know, the RSI. The RSI is at 60, right? If RSI goes below 60 and this also crosses in the downward direction, you can expect some kind of a profit booking to come in into Nifty, right? But otherwise, if I look into it, looking into all the parameters, it looks pretty positive to me. But the time will tell, because there could be you know, some profit booking that may come in. But depending upon the RSI, if RSI takes a support and goes up, then there won't be. But if it doesn't happen that way and goes down with a, you know, quickly it goes down, then the market will also come down. That is what my perception. So let me just conclude. If RSI goes below 60, MACD crosses over, and the candle leaves this 10 moving average, then I can expect some kind of a profit booking coming in. And how much profit booking? About 20 to 25, 30 points. But if you ask me larger perspective, it's positive. My mindset is positive on this. I'm expecting positive, you know, uptrend to continue in Nifty till at least 10,400, right? This is what my conclusion is. All right, so this is what I wanted to share, guys. I'm really, really waiting for you all, every single person I've been talking to almost daily 15 to 20 people who want to do the webinar. So if you have any doubt, if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me. You can ask my, office also. You can call up and talk to them, and I will be able to take up all your questions, all your doubts, and I'll be able to help you in understanding how to do the payment in case you need help. So this is my website. Go to the stockprotraining.com. Go to the stockprotraining.com. This is my website. Go to the webinar, and here you go. Join now. And then you get various options. If you have HDFC Bank, you go to pay via PayU Money. And then once you fill it up, it'll ask you the EMI option also. So just give that and you will be done. All right. So there can't be a better proposition than what I'm giving you. Pay in EMI and learn for your life, and we make you recover all your money. This is what the whole thing is, no investment, virtually free, right? So with this, I'm signing off. See you on Monday, and see you with lots of profits every day. Bye bye. Good day. All right. See you tomorrow. No, tomorrow is Saturday. We meet on Monday. Bye bye. Good day.